LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, is a widely used networking protocol for accessing and managing distributed directory information services. It is an application protocol used over TCP/IP networks to provide a standardized way for querying and modifying directory services data. LDAP is designed to be lightweight and efficient, making it suitable for a variety of applications and environments. Directories in the context of LDAP are structured databases that store and organize information about users, devices, applications, and other network resources. LDAP directories are hierarchical, meaning that data is organized in a tree-like structure with entries and attributes. Here are some key concepts related to LDAP. Entries are the fundamental building blocks of an LDAP directory. Each entry represents an object in the directory, such as a user, group, or device. Entries are uniquely identified by a distinguished name, DN, which is a globally unique identifier within the LDAP directory. Attributes are pieces of information associated with an LDAP entry. They contain data about the object represented by the entry. Attributes have names and values, and each entry can have multiple attributes. Distinguished name, DN. The distinguished name uniquely identifies an entry in the LDAP directory. It is formed by concatenating the relative distinguished name, RDN, of the entry with the distinguished name of its parent entry. LDAP URL. An LDAP URL is a string that specifies the location of an LDAP entry in a directory. It includes information such as the LDAP server's address, the base DN, and any search filters. LDAP is commonly used for various purposes, including authentication and authorization. LDAP is widely used for authentication purposes, where user credentials are stored in an LDAP directory. It allows applications to authenticate users against a central repository of user information. Address book services. LDAP is used in email and other applications to store contact information and address book data. Centralized configuration management. LDAP directories can be used to store configuration information for network devices, applications, and services. User management. LDAP simplifies user management tasks in large organizations, providing a central repository for user data. LDAP is an open standard, and there are various LDAP server implementations available, both open source and commercial. Common LDAP server implementations include OpenLDAP, Microsoft Active Directory, and Apache Directory Server. LDAP clients can be built into applications and services to interact with the LDAP directory for various purposes.